The first race ever at the Lego Mountain Downhill Diecast Raceway includes 4 cars from the luxury sedan series Hot Wheels 2022. They are the jet black Porsche Panorama, the blue Nethens Lamborghini Stoke, and the metal flake solid black Tesla Model 3, the fire sand orange Jaguar XE SV Project 8, and the white diamond tri-coat colored Cadillac STS-V. However, because there were 2 black cars, I chose to pass on the Tesla Model 3, so we have 4 cars of different colors. The Jaguar is orange, the Cadillac is white, the Lamborghini is blue, and the Porsche is black. There they all are together for some photo ops just before the race. They're lining up now at the starting line as we prepare. Race number 1, here we go. We're going to have a green flag shortly. Yeah. All the cars rotate, by the way, between races, so they each get a chance to be on pole position. We rotate the cars. Oh, there was a crash. The Cadillac bounced. Let's see what happened in slow motion. Cadillac rides the rail and then hits something, pops up into the air, stops the black Porsche, and we have only 1 car finished. That is the Lamborghini. Race number 2, we line it back up again. We rotate. And now we have the Cadillac on the outside row, and that Cadillac stopped the whole group. DNFs for everybody. Race number 3, we have Cadillac now on the outside back row. We have black and blue. Oh, it looks like we might have a full race this time. Black, blue, orange. Where's white? If you look down, we have black, blue, orange. Last race. This time the Cadillac seems to be a problem car. And it is again the Cadillac ends up on its hood. Final point standings for this series: Lamborghini Stoke 7, Porsche Panorama 4, Jaguar XE 2, and that Cadillac 0.